నీట్ 2025 ఫలితాల్లో ఆల్ ఇండియా ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్ తమ విద్యార్థి సాధించారని తెలిపారు శ్రీ చైతన్య డైరెక్టర్ సుష్మా. ఆల్ ఇండియా టాప్ 10 లోపు 5 ర్యాంకులను శ్రీ చైతన్య విద్యార్థులే కైవసం చేసుకున్నారని అన్నారు. తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాలతో పాటు దేశవ్యాప్తంగా శ్రీ చైతన్య అగ్రస్థానంలో నిలిచిందన్నారు. ఇన్ఫినిటీ లెర్న్ టెక్నాలజీ శిక్షణతో శ్రీ చైతన్య విద్యార్థులు అత్యుత్తమ ర్యాంకులు సాధించారని తెలిపారు ఆ సంస్థ డైరెక్టర్లు. శ్రీ చైతన్య యాజమాన్యం, టీచర్స్, పేరెంట్స్ సహకారంతో బెస్ట్ ర్యాంక్స్ సాధించామని తెలిపారు విద్యార్థులు.
Thank you. Thank you. AR-70, congratulations once again.
Today, as you can see, there's so many kids around. Very excited to be here to celebrate this with us. Lot of parents here, lot of faculty, administrators here as well for this event. 2025 NEET has been a very unique paper. If we look back to 2018 NEET and 19 NEET, I think it's similar to that, but much better in standard compared to those papers. So it's a very crucial year and a turning point for all students preparing for NEET exam, even for the future. 2025 NEET result has been announced today around 12:30 p.m. So that's why a lot of kids could not make it in time today because the duration is very short. And if we look at this particular exam, our Sri Chaitanya students have done very well, like every single year. This year, starting with mains result, then advanced result, and in between a lot of MCET results, and now the NEET result. This is the last result of the academic year, and then we move on to preparing our kids for the next year going forward. If we look at the 2025 NEET, there are about 22 lakh students who have attempted this exam, out of which 12.7 lakh students are female students and 9.37 lakh students are boys. So the contribution of girl students is much higher in NEET. There is a 3 lakh difference. When we look at qualifying, about 55% of the total count has qualified in NEET 2025. That is about 12.36 lakh students have qualified overall. So Sri Chaitanya, when it started off in 1986, I think this 40-year journey in Andhra, Telangana, if you ask any parent and any student wanting to choose NEET and prepare for NEET, their answer would be Sri Chaitanya is the only choice.
If you're asking about my preparation journey, it has been like a hustle. For the past 2 years, it has been a grinding for this time that I have done. Like many times there were ups and downs. I wasn't able to focus at times because my paper the test could have gone a good result or a bad result, and after that I would get really sad. But the thing that kept me going was that I had a goal, and that goal was to become a good human and to serve the nation, and I thought that being a doctor would help me do that work. And for that I thought that small problems that are coming in my life aren't going to change much, but my only target that should be achieved, and for that I work every day, and then I got these results.
Just want to say that follow your dreams and what you want to do in your life. And I want to be a doctor because it's a very respected job and serve the nation. This is only what I want to say.
These 2 years, as everyone knows, NEET is one of the most toughest competitive exams in India, and this 2 years journey is very crucial in one's life to achieve what they want. Of course, the support of our faculty, our lectures, which have been provided to us, was ultimate, and my support of our parents, my sister, and everyone who have been with me in these 2 years and supported me no matter what the ups and downs.